You don't have users for your app because you can't market it. In fact, marketing is the #1 issue most founders have when scaling their app. But if you know how to use AI properly, it's way easier than you think. So in this video, I'm going to prove that by building a marketing campaign from scratch that would take companies weeks to do. I'm going to do it in just 1 hour. And then we can get customers while we sleep. All right, so this is the step-by-step process we are going to be following to go ahead and launch our marketing campaign. So you see this Miro board right here. So let me go ahead and we're gonna start off with the Higgsfield supercomputer, and then we're going to build a couple different components. Now, we're gonna start with component 1, and this is the Notion lead magnet. It's just one prompt, it'll generate a Notion lead magnet, and this is how it's gonna be working. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and then finally the output will be a Notion ready markdown document. Go over, once we have the lead magnet created, we'll create a UGC video, and we'll have one prompt to script and produce the UGC video. We'll have Higgsfield write high converting 15-second script for us and render a video with caption and CTA. Then it's all about distribution. We will schedule an Instagram post via Zernio, set up a DM automation tied to the call to action keyword, and schedule the entire pipeline to run every single morning. So this entire funnel will be created on autopilot for us. All right, so step 1 is research. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out, what are some lead magnet best practices for Notion, because a lot of beginners have no idea. Then we're going to research Subclimb SaaS Deep Dive. This is the tool that we will be marketing for. And then finally, we're going to write a Notion ready markdown lead magnet with some examples from LinkedIn that we can post on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see the documents feel like a peer sharing discovery, not a brand selling something. There's a structure. So here are some writing examples for Higgsfield supercomputer. Here are some example posts that we can feed into it. So you see right here, these are some of the posts I've written. They're trying to mirror the tone. And then we just go ahead and just, let me give me a second. Just copy all of this. And now we're gonna go Higgsfield supercomputer. This is where the magic starts happening. Let's move on to orchestrator. There's also Claude modules. You want to Google models. I'm not a big fan of GPT 5.5 to be honest. But let's go ahead with the orchestrator. Again, you can switch the model if you want to. Paste the entire prompt, and then go ahead and click go. And now you see all. We're gonna wait, see what it comes up with. Remember, the goal here is to get some banger posts that we can post to market our lead magnet. So you see how Higgsfield supercomputer is searching the web, searching all the links that we told to Subclimb, GitHub, YouTube, looking for Notion lead magnet best practices, and it should give us a full-on document that follows the 7 steps you see in the prompt. Okay, wow, there you go. How to get hot consulting SaaS. All right, why Reddit is an untapped gold mine that most people use wrong. The 5-step system to find and convert Reddit, deprogramming, 5-step. Wow, this is this is a crazy lead magnet. Holy, this would take somebody hours to write with this level of detail. And look at the formatting. You have. Okay, so it looks like these are all the websites it went through. Wow. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna copy all of this. And this is our lead magnets. We go to Notion, and this is like the headline. We're helping people know how to get clients via Reddit, because we have a Reddit SaaS. So we want to have a lead magnet that will point people to our Reddit SaaS. All right, so here is our full-on lead magnet. You can see right here, it's extremely in-depth. We have so many aspects to this. And Notion has its own formatting as well, so you can further format in Notion. And you see our lead magnet mentions Subclimb, which is great because this is our SaaS that we want to obviously market. It mentions it 11 times, and lead magnets are fully meant to just market your app. So you should be including your app's name everywhere in the lead magnet as the method to solve whatever the problem is. You see, we have it in almost every single step. And this was all generated with the Higgsfield supercomputers, so I didn't have to do this myself. Okay, so now let's pull up our SaaS. As you see, this is subclimb, and we need to generate media for this. So we need to generate marketing media. We have the lead magnet for it, which is great to get people hooked, but we need an actual video. So let me go ahead and click upload. Upload a screenshot of my SaaS. This is the home page. And then let me just, okay, see right here, the full page. Scroll down. Here is the second prompt. I'm gonna write some context about subclimb, which is my SaaS tool. And then step 1, you write the script, CTA, hook, value, you know, the general content creation principles. Step 2, it'll produce the video using Higgsfield, because that's what everybody uses anyways nowadays. And this is the character I have for it, some video direction. And then finally, you'll see step 3 right there is just write the video caption, which pretty simple. It'll use the script, and we want to make sure all captions are. Let me delete that part actually. Cool. So we have all of our steps. So let me go ahead and copy all of this. Okay. Let me go ahead and paste it right now. All right, that's the full prompt. Click run. And now it's gonna go ahead and complete what we are looking for: a full-on script and a video with the character and direction we have given it. Okay, we'll make sure we add the landing page screenshot as well in the middle of the video. Cool, I'm excited. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, so we have our full-on video script. You have our video, you can see everything. There's a UGC video script, so you want to do it yourself. The video caption as well, the video production.
Spent 3 weeks building a tool that totally fell flat on Reddit. Then I changed one thing.
This guy looks pretty realistic. I'm not gonna lie.
No ads,
Model C Dance 2.0, and there you go. There's our SaaS. The screenshot is already in the laptop. So now we can add some more text and stuff on top of it to make it look, you know, make it high converting. But this, you know, people are spending like hundreds of thousands of dollars on UGC creators, but now we can do that. Now we have our component 3 to distribution, and this is where, now that we have our content post, we're gonna I'm zoning it right now, and then we're gonna create a post. So let me go ahead back to Higgsfield. See the entire video caption that we have. Oh, got the S. Let me just paste it, add the S right there. Cool, so this is a content. And then add media. Oh, wait. Oops. Let me go ahead and download this. You can't upload the video without downloading the video, right? So now, I'm gonna click add media, download from what Higgsfield produced for us, and we can schedule it, put it for now, it doesn't really matter. Just put for any random time, honestly. This is an Instagram account, TikTok account, so I do my Instagram account. Well, it's actually one of my clients' Instagram accounts, but he doesn't mind me using his account for this. Okay, just copy that. I'll put this in the custom caption, and I'll schedule my post. So this would go ahead and be fired out pretty soon. And just like that, I have a scheduled post that was scripted, videos created, everything through AI, through Higgsfield. And now set up an automation. This is where we give the lead magnet. This is very important. Without this step, no one's gonna, your reel won't do well. It's called subclimb automation. My client's Instagram post, true keywords. This can be any keyword. Using Reddit, because the Reddit SaaS makes sense. Okay, and then you can add your own message, button label, so we can say like, here's the Notion. Free guide. Yeah, this speaks to the people. And then click share. And then web link. So now anyone can access this. Go back to Zernio, paste it, create, and then anyone who comments under my Instagram post, I haven't sent a message. I can say like, here you go, and that should, yep, there you go. Automation is now created. So anyone comments Reddit under my reel will automatically send my lead magnet. So there you go. Component 4 is complete. The full funnel is on autopilot. Like, I barely did any work. Everything was AI-fied. Okay, now let me go ahead and say schedule this full pipeline to run every Monday morning. And now this is where magic happens. Look at that. Weekly pipeline scheduled. So now I will have a video ready every Monday at 8 a.m. ready to publish. And of course, the next step would be post a ton of AI content using Higgsfield through this pipeline. And one of my students, Neymar, he did this exact process and he's been able to scale his app to over 70,000 followers on Instagram. So this has been proven to work. That was all under 1.5 months. Now, I would like to shout out Higgsfield for partnering with me in this video because they have allowed me to give you all access to supercomputer for a discounted rate. So go ahead and click the first link in the description below if you want to check it out. Now, once you are getting clients from your marketing campaigns, you have to be able to close them because that's how you actually earn income. So to learn how to close clients, watch this video next.